Wow. Well, no, he's paying you ahead for the next three.
Yeah, we went
Well,
large
no,
on
he's
that
paying
one.
you ahead for the next three.
Yeah.
We went
Well,
large
no,
on
he's
that
paying you
one.
ahead for the next. Uh-oh, you
I
got
baited you,
reverb.
Coach. I'm sorry. I baited
Wow.
you.
It's a layaway plan.
That's awesome.
That's inflation.
That's right. Okay.
No layaway on the tip jar.
That's right. We should be live now. I'm up in my I'm up in the upstairs office, so things are looking a little different in case you're wondering what's going on behind me and all the things. And okay, should be streaming live. Moderators make sure it's cool. We were having an issue with that. That is now resolved.
TikTok's up.
Thank you.
YouTube. You just say YouTube? Yeah, YouTube's up. Sounds good.
Thank you. Nice. I put the new banner over on this streaming software, so that should be there now.
And Twitch.
Thank you. Our website is something is broken with the website, so I will fix it today. When you go to the testimonials, they're not scrolling. That's the only thing. All the links and everything are still working. Something broke with the cosmetics. We have a carousel system inside of there. So I will fix it. Don't you worry. We hired a web programmer a long time ago to do some of the things, but he wasn't good, so I ended up programming most of it. I didn't have time for that BS, right? Nobody's got time for that.
I think I might have an idea what happened to it, Coach.
What do you think? What happened?
I think you just overloaded the crap out of it yesterday.
That's right.
With that insane sell.
Yes, thank you. That was awesome. Does anybody know if F2 even knows that he made it into our Hall of Fame, which I think there's only like 10 people that are in there? I don't know if he knows it or not.
He was in the free market this morning, but didn't really get to talk. I'm sure he was on his way or at work. F2.
You know that work's got to be on borrowed time. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Well, Palm's solution. Did you hear that? He told him to just go ahead and go to lunch and just not
just
come
never
back.
come back. Yeah. The old Irish goodbye.
Yeah.
They're like, I'll be back in a little bit.
Right? Later on. Psych.
See ya. Okay, so it looks like Tradeify looks like they are removing let me look. I got a message about this. They're removing the advanced plan program. Will no longer be available for purchase. This only applies to new signups, so your current advanced account remains fully active. After 8 o'clock, new purchases of advanced accounts will not be available. And I think they're moving it to something else. So stay tuned. So if you guys are looking for anything on Tradeify, the advanced plan, something is changing. So we'll see what happens after tonight, what they come up with. Because I think they had 3 plans: Lightning, Advanced, and something else. So the advanced one is going to go away. I think they're going to replace it. Don't quote me on it. But if you guys are interested in joining that prop firm, by the way, that's one of our partners. You can grab it right off the link. It's right above me. See it? It says go to Tradeify and use the code ADT. It's the you'll always get the best sales price on all activations, reactivations, resetting the accounts, everything, because we are a premium partner with them.
Coach, check the site now.
On
your end, please.
Okay, 1 second. Let me refresh.
For the record, I don't know what that was. So I don't know what that was.
Oh, yay. I see the carousel's back.
All right. There you
Yay.
go. Under 30 minutes since you asked.
Nice. Yeah, just send me a message on what was fixed in case we run into it again. And we'll still have to fix mine, whatever happened to mine. The 2FA stuff.
Yeah, I don't know why that did that. So
I do not either. It's interesting. All right. Good thing we've got you in there as the backup, right?
Yeah, I still gotta find the two-step. I don't even know what setting it's under, but I'll keep looking.
All right, thank you. That was one of the last things we added, remember?
Yeah, but you had added me as like a
Right.
user, but I don't
As an
know.
admin, but yes.
All right.
Yep. You're admin, full admin on it. Yep. Real quick, everybody, Black Friday, early Black Friday special going on today. In case you guys did not see where I posted it all over the place, you guys can get a one-on-one with me today. This is the sales price, $3K. I'm taking 50% off. Also today, and I have one spot left, by the way. One spot. Tony, I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys have heard the last couple of days, right? Tony and I did a one-on-one last week. Tony is up over 200% on her total account, has more than double paid for what she paid for our one-time one-on-one, has now signed up to work with me every other week for a year. I have one spot left. That is a 20 or a 50 block hour. Get it today, because once it's gone, I have no more time to fill. I have one left. So if you want 20 hours or 50 hours, if you do a 20, I might be able to finagle some in there because that's every other week. So I might be able to put a couple more in there, but 20 or for 50 for sure, because that's once a week. But get it today, because when it's gone, I cannot take on any more people for my mentorship program. I hope you're listening to the sound of my voice. And today the deal was on my early Black Friday redonkulous deal. Right here. This is crazy. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody this. But if you buy any of my block hour purchase, you get 50% more hours for free. Don't tell anybody.
Wow.
So if you buy 20, you just got 60 grand for free, right? You buy a 20 block hour, that's $60,000 for free you just got, right?
That is nuts.
If you
Just
guys,
it's that time of year, right?
yes, if you guys buy a 50 block hour package, that will save you $150,000. Go do it. Open up a help desk ticket. Also, today, any annual membership, buy 1 year, get 1 year free. We've only done that one time before, remember? One time. We've only ever done that one time. Buy VIP for a year, get a year free. Buy VIP Gold for a year, get a year free. Buy premium annual membership for a year, get a year free. Do it. Do the things. Click the buttons. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go. If you need help, go to the help desk. Otherwise, Bruno will have all of these links posted and we'll tag everyone with my heading. And all of the links will be posted. Otherwise, open up a help desk ticket and we'll take care of you, right? Okay, great.
So, Coach, what were you saying about F2 in the Hall of Fame?
I inducted him into the Hall of Fame last night.
Sweet.
And Coach, you and I have to have a one-on-one on you giving away the store every time. Yeah.
All the times.
Jeez.
All the times. Yeah, let's
Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just heard I'm off today, finally from work.
Yay.
And I just want to say thank you very much. That means a whole lot being part of that. And thank you for everything you've done for me over the last few years and thanks. And let's have a great day today.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm actually sharing the screen out right now, F2, with your name all up in lights forever, laser etched into the Hall of Fame at American Dream Trading. Look at it, everybody. Can you guys all see it? Make sure you guys click on all the emojis, the clickety-click, cling, clang, 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 clang. Do the things. Can you guys all see it on my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Coach.
Yes, sir.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
It's amazing.
Yeah, all you got to do is click all these. See them down here? Click, click, click. Look at all the people in here. Now, listen, he is part of an elite crew. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's only 12 people to have ever been inducted into the Hall of Fame club over here at American Dream Trading, and F2 is a part of that. That's that never give up attitude. That is what I like to see here. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Congratulations, F. You deserve it, man.
Thank you very much. You guys are amazing.
Effing awesome.
Really wish I had my sound effects up here, so I'll have to hand create them. Hey, hey. Yay. Over here on all the manual stuff, like 1993. I'm over here manual.
I'm about to say, hand create. How'd you get all it? How many hands you got?
I know it, right? Oh
How'd you
my
do that?
gosh. I'm going old school over here, right? We're making do with this high budget production show. We got about 15, now 14 minutes to the bell. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Real quick, I want to thank all of our moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda on Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, James, Eminem, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Hopefully I did not miss anybody. Again, working off one of my old sheets. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day here, along with all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. I'll take it. Appreciate you. There it is. I heard that horn back there. Thank you. All right. We're going to have another amazing day. This is Friday, November 21st. We are recording the session, so we're good to go there. Yesterday, of course, we had another amazing day. One of our members here, F2, who we were just talking about, just joined as our 15th brand new millionaire. So that is 15 millionaires so far that we're aware of, that at least have told us about. So I know a couple people were really close. They said they were going to let me know. Not sure where they're at, but whatever. This is the 15th brand new millionaire. And David was, last count, I think like 28,000 away from becoming the 16th millionaire. And we've been live every day for the last 3 years. By the way, as far as I know, we've broken 2 world records. And I think this would be the 3rd world record has been broken. The first world record that we broke here at American Dream Trading is one of our members here made $25 million plus in a single day trading session for a retail trader. I believe that is a first in the world. Number 2 world record since we've been here for the last 3 years. David, one of our own training moderators, has been with us for 3 years, and in the last year has not had a single red day for over a full year straight. That is world record broken number 2. Number 3 world record broken, as far as I know. American Dream Trading has created more brand new millionaires than any trading community ever in the history of trading communities. So I think so far in the last 3 years, we have broken 3, not 1, not 2, 3 world records. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's too kind. Too kind. Too kind. I appreciate you all. Can you guys believe that we have, as far as I know, broken 3 world records? Is that insane or what?
You calling Guinness, Coach?
I might have to. If I called Guinness, then the people would have to come in and verify and show who they are, and they might get angry with me, but that might put us, hey, that might put us out there, right?
We good, Coach. We good.
Maybe. That would be awesome. But think about who you're working with, right? We have created some, if not the best, stock market and futures traders in the world with the most profits in the world. Don't come at me for receipts, because I have not checked brokerage statements, but I've seen screenshots and the things that people are doing. And over time, we've been doing this 3 years, and I know who they are and what they're doing and all the things. We've retired the most people. As far as I know, I can't go in there and be like, well, show me your old job, W-2 pay stubs. Now give me your new, what are you? All right. You guys are all in the right place at the right time with the right people, mentors, traders, and community. Everybody here, you are here for a reason, right? And if you ask F2, he will tell you that even when the going gets tough, you don't turn into a little chicken shit baby, go cry in a corner, sucking on your thumb, asking for your mama. Isn't that how the saying goes? Right? Loose translation. I'm pretty sure that's how it went. Am I right?
You do, but only for 5 minutes. And then you got to get back to you.
Yep. You get 5 minutes to cry about it. Right? Nobody, and I mean nobody, is allowed to quit. You must work hard every day. Never give up. Never surrender, baby. Everybody do me a favor right quick. If you guys are watching me on the YouTubes, click that subscribe button. See that little button? Yeah, it's free. Click it. See that thumbs up that everybody that you're watching me on? Yeah, click that button. You guys are watching on the TikToks, you don't stop, double tap that screen. Click share, click follow. Oh my gosh, it's 3 things. I got to go click, click, click. Come on, click the things. Do it. Do it now. If you guys follow me over on X, if you don't, you better, at ADT Coach. Tag me. Something we did. Everybody started blowing up the system yesterday, talking about how one of our members made 15, or is our 15th millionaire. That was awesome. Do it again. Do it every day. If you have not told this month 3 people about American Dream Trading, get off your ass. Go tell them. Tell the world. Scream it from the rooftop. Tell everybody at work. Don't tell your boss, because then once you leave your job, because you become so successful, results not guaranteed. I don't want them coming for me. All right? Tell everybody you know. You go to church, tell them. You going to any Thanksgiving functions? Tell them. Big family picnic? Tell them. Parent-teacher conference? Tell them. Carpool? Tell them. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Oh, nice. Cybertruck just got updated to version 4.14.2. Yeah, go ahead.
I was just going to add, that wearing a bright pink trucker hat that says ADT on it is a pretty good icebreaker.
I was going to say, I bet you get a lot of comments. Whether that is good and or bad, I don't know. But I like it.
Starts a conversation.
Yeah, for sure. 100%. 100%. Some of you still have help desk tickets open. Go get in your help desk tickets. Some of you opened up a ticket yesterday about the Diamond Lifetime membership sale that I had. That was yesterday only. So what I'm going to do for you, if you guys have a help desk ticket and you were trying to do that deal yesterday, which is gone, I will give you until 10 o'clock. Moderators at 10 o'clock, close all those tickets because that deal was not for today. So you have 36 minutes. If you do not get it fixed, bye-bye. Okay, great. But that's okay. Today we have that super sale going on, $4K for the Diamond Lifetime membership, which is gone, by the way, in 7 days. You'll never be able to buy that again. Good luck. Enjoy. Oh, there it is. Freeland, I appreciate you. Freeland is the first person. Freeland Firehawks. If that isn't a plug, I don't know what is. Watching and training with American Dream Trading Live. Thank you for the amazing community you have started. First one over on X.com. Appreciate that. Doing all the things. All right. Let's see what we've got. 9:25. 4 minutes. About 4 minutes remaining. Everybody do me a favor. If you guys are watching on YouTube, I want to see that you are here. Type in a 1. Type in something about American Dream Trading. Twitch. Where's my rowdy crew over at Twitch? Used to be the rowdiest group. Twitch is like all calm down, right? I know I'm not some cute girl in a bikini in like your little pool in a room, you know, splashing around for you guys, but we are helping people change their lives. I know it's hard for me to compete with some of this stuff that's out there, but hey, we're trying.
Coach, I can turn you into that.
Oh no, please don't. Please spare the people. Please spare the people, okay? Appreciate you.
Okay.
Yeah. That's nice. Hey, there it is. Rufus from Louisiana says, we are here, Coach. Thank you. I appreciate you. I see you all over on YouTube. You're an inspiration, Coach, and I'm so grateful to be here at ADT. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see if I can pull up the tick tax. Hold on. Bear with me.
What's up, Coach?
Hey, what's up? Okay, there it is. Okay, there we go. All right, let me get this over here now so I can see those of you that are over on TikTok. All right, there we go. Hey, good to see you all. Thank you for those gifts. Thank you. Thank you for the subscriptions. Appreciate you. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. By the way, how about that Bitcoin, huh? How about that Bitcoin at $80,000 this morning? Did you guys see my text or my message, I should say, over in the crypto channel? If you're not a diamond.
Coach Chris, I did.
Yes. Right. Isn't that funny? This morning, you would have already made thousands of dollars, right? If you bought one Bitcoin, right?
You would have made $3,000.
Yep. Just like that. This morning. Ding. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing we were teaching all of the everyone how to long and short the market too.
Yeah.
100%. Because you needed it.
Yes.
This last couple weeks.
Yes. 100%. Right?
Yeah, and we told everyone. I was telling people right at roughly around 123K.
Yep.
This is how you hedge. Make sure you're looking at hedges.
Yes, absolutely. Ben, I see you. Ben C, are you in the room? Yep, I see you, partner. No problem. We can have a discussion about that.
Awesome.
Yep, absolutely. I see your ticket. Bruno, I see it, 5870. You would be the last one, by the way, if that happens. So everybody, this could be it for all of the mentorships. I will let everybody know later today, but this could be the final one locked in.
Remember this one. This one's the big one, so it's got to, how it's got to get processed.
Yep, yeah, we'll discuss all of it. But that's why I said too that this would shut it down because I can't put any more hours around it because this is basically once a week. So, yep, I'll take care of that ticket. Leave it there, Bruno. When I get offline, Ben, if you're available, we'll have a discussion. Okay.
Great.
All right. Thank you, partner. Okay, everybody. Let's see. Yes, everybody get those tickets in. We'll get them all resolved. Okay, awesome, Bruno. I see it. Thank you. 2 steps should be fixed. Perfect. Thank you so much. Listen, we got about 30 seconds today. Nobody go rogue. Everybody, please follow the rules. Remember, if you're a new trader, paper trade only, don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. Make sure you have your stop losses on each and every trade. Journal your trades. Go in with small position sizes, allowing the runners to run and stop out the losers, and don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you are newer, I'd also recommend not trading more than 1 to 5 times in a single trading day. And make sure you guys are looking at stocks before options, futures, and crypto. It's just a little bit easier. All right, here we go, everybody. Let's rock and roll. Hold on. Let me see if I can quickly get the sound effect going. Here we go. And, oh, there it is.
Yay!
Yay. All right, that damn thing can be quiet. Wow, that's loud. All right, here we go. All right, if anybody has any call-outs, make sure they're clear and concise. Let me know ASAP.
Amazon is on the double bottom.
Thank you. Oh, my trading view is not working. Hold on. Let me repair that. There we go. Fixed. Oh, real quick. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. Huge Black Friday sale going on with TradingView. Huge Black Friday sale going on with TradingView, up to 80% off and plus a free month. Go over to, it says new members start here. You go to the coaches affiliates, and you'll be able to get that deal. You'll see it for TradingView. So those of you who want TradingView, perfect opportunity. Sale for the next 7 days. All right, let's rock and roll. If you guys see that 2-minute EWO, like Apple is on its first 2-minute EWO to the upside. Apple first 2-minute EWO to the upside. Nice, nice. Oh my gosh, I just realized, Ben, you realize if you buy that 50 hours today, I just realized this. You realize you're going to get 25 hours for free? Oh my gosh. What?
You might want to stretch a little bit more.
I know. Wow. I just realized that, right? I guess I wasn't really anticipating somebody scooping up a 50, but Ben, that'd be $150,000 in free hours. I hope you realize that, right? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. What was I thinking? Somebody stop the old man. He's doing stupid stuff. The sales are too great.
You're such a nice guy,
The
Coach.
sales are just too much. That's too much.
Spy's a view up.
Thank you. Let's see. Yep, SPY sitting down here on the VWAPs and the 200 sitting right there.
It did a double top pullback and view up.
Yep, yep. How about yesterday, gang? SPY, right? Launched into the moon at the
Oh my
open,
gosh,
and then
yesterday was
crashed all
amazing.
day. Was that crazy or what?
It was the most beautiful thing ever.
Insane.
It was $1.5 trillion lost in the market yesterday. That's what that percentage equaled.
Does
That's
anybody
all?
really have any idea why, or was it? So I know we were looking for news.
Yeah, remember somebody said that one of the feds said something about
The market was going to crash today or something.
market tanking type conversation. Yeah, it just boom.
Yeah, it did it.
Yeah,
For that reason, it dropped SPY.
Yeah, it didn't come back, right?
No.
And they also talked about not needing a price reduction.
That's what it was
reduction.
from the Fed minutes, saying they don't need it even till March. That's like, forget about it.
Yep. Oh yeah, about lowering the interest rate.
Yeah, not doing it.
Yeah, just
Hey, what time was that
Yep.
said?
It was released in the Fed minutes the day before at 3:00.
Yep.
Eastern time.
Tesla is a first red 2-minute, but it's at the 200, so be careful.
So y'all think that's what drove it, huh?
Yeah, and then unfortunately the next day the Fed speakers doubled down on it instead of pulling it back.
Right. Sorry, I'm seeing some tickets coming in. Yeah, if you guys want to take advantage, last opportunity again, Diamond. I know I sound like a broken record, but you need to understand that when that is gone, you'll never see that. It's just ridiculous. The platinum's going to be amazing, but it's going to be pricey. That is the diamond that will be retired, but there won't be a lifetime. It will be an annual, and I'm thinking like 7,500 to 10K a year per year. You can get the lifetime today for 4. Do the math. I know I got a Flint education, and it's not the greatest for accounting, but you might want to do the maths. Apple, 2-minute EWO, third. Apple, 2-minute EWO to the upside, and you are now in a 6-star trade, according to our Trading View indicators that you get with that Diamond Lifetime membership. David, how are we doing over there, partner? He's in that trade heavy right now. I already know it. David, by the way.
28%, almost 29%.
Nice. David loves Fridays because he gets the premium so cheap. He gets the super stack, right? Because it's same day expiration on contracts. So he gets to use basically the same amount of money he was using, but buy more contracts.
NVIDIA to the downside.
Thank you.
Coach, what's the promo on the diamond?
4K today only.
Nice.
All right, SPY still sitting on VWAP, still dancing around this area. Let's take a look around the board. Tesla ran up in the pre-market. So what did it do at the open? Pulled back. People collecting, right? Pretty common. You can see now that Tesla is sitting on the 200. I need to change this color. Hold on. There we go. Done. And I want my 9 EMA. You guys can see what I'm doing in real time, right? Okay, that is larger, but let's really get that to show up. There we go. So again, Tesla pulled back at the open. Apple continuing to climb. By the way, it's not a collection point, right? That is moving in a sideways trend if you look at it. If this dips below previous, that's when we look at shedding. Do you see the difference on Apple? Let me show you right now. Okay. Let me go to the 2-minute. Do you see how it just went? Do you see how it went sideways, but it never pulled back? Right? It went sideways. Now, if this candle right here would have went lower than the previous candle, that turns into that right where I tell you it kind of looks like an A or a triangle. That's when you collect, not when it goes sideways. Does that make sense?
Yes. Are you taking the wicks in consideration there, or just the candle?
Both, right? If I see if I see it breaking down below here, obviously I'll pay attention a little bit more. But typically, right, I want to see it. A lot of times it could wick, but the body still stays up, right?
Yes.
So I kind of look at it, but you can see this one was just a double wick. This is what I don't want is people freak out when it goes sideways and you guys are collecting 50% and you were not supposed to yet, right? That's not a collection point. It's when it does a pullback. This is not a pullback. Are we all on the same page, Apple 2-minute EWO riders?
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect.
Coach, do you wait for that candle to close?
Typically, but it just depends, right? If it's pulling back below the previous candle, like aggressively, that already tells me, right? If it's just kind of loitering around and kind of wicking through and not really doing much, I don't panic over that, right?
Yep, got it.
Yep. Great question, though. Yeah, Bruno, that's why I said, yeah, we can do the 3K, 3K for a one-on-one with me today, but it's limit 1. They can only buy 1 of those, right? That way they're not abusing it.
Sure, because we got to post the promos.
Yep.
So
yeah, that way they're not abusing it. You know what I mean?
Coach, you know why Apple's kind of bucking the trend here for the last couple of weeks?
Yeah, it was. I think it was. Wasn't it Asia sales had finally? I believe it was Asia or Europe or India. I can't remember, but one of the sales, right, was popping off. They were worried about it. And because coming off of the 17 phone sales, everybody was freaking out how they thought it was going to be lower, but it wasn't.
Oh, that's right. That's
Yep,
right. Yep.
yep. And it's just been, they've just been selling the crap out of them, right?
And that meeting with Mr. T. Now I'm remembering back now.
Yep.
He went to Mr. T's office.
That's right. Yep. And then they said, and then what did they say? Hey, we're going to bring a bunch of stuff over to the U.S.
Yeah, we're gonna start building.
Yep.
We're gonna start building stuff in the U.S.
Yep. Yeah, I believe it was the
massive-
chips.
And using as U.S.
Gosh.
companies,
Yep.
like the glass and all that.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep, absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
You got it.
Yeah, Apple kind of is its own thing.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, Tony, I see you. I think I did make that deal with you. I'm pretty sure. And if I said it, 100% I'll stand by it.
Thanks, Coach.
Yep. I don't remember. I work with so many people. I do so many deals, so many things, but 100%. You don't get to combine that with the 50% add-on today, though. You hear me, young lady?
No, sir. I would
right.
never ask.
All right. Appreciate you.
So chopping that in half.
Yeah, yep, chop it in half. She just won't get the other one today, which is buy it and get
All right.
50% add-on hours. Yep, but yeah, 50% off the whole thing. Good. Gosh, that's a crazy deal.
I know.
What in the what?
I want to ask you again because are you sure about that? Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah, because yeah, I must have said it during the training. Tony's awesome though. I like Tony. She's a good person. She good people. So why not give her $25,000 for free? Why not?
Oh my! I love you, Coach.
Why not? What's 25 grand amongst people? You can go buy a Tesla with that, right? A used one, not brand new. Don't come at me with receipts, Coach. You can't buy a new Tesla. Stop it. You know
Coach, I just
saying.
want to be one of your homegrown millionaires.
Yes,
that's all.
Yes. Well,
and I'd rather invest in my education.
100%. We'll work on it, right? Look at what you did after one session.
I know. I'm still amazed.
That's awesome. I love it.
You have to pronounce it education.
Yes,
like Coach. Okay,
education.
He's the one.
Yeah, education.
Tony, when you coming on the aftermarket, girl?
Uh-oh. You hear
Well,
that?
we can talk about that.
You hear that? Oh boy, you're gonna make her famous now.
Cool beans.
Oh man.
Apple continuing to climb.
AmericanDreamTrading.com.
This is why I was saying, everybody,
Don't say
right? That was not a shedding point on Apple. Do you understand the difference and why I said it and how much more you would be up if you left it alone, right?
I left it alone, Coach.
Thank you.
We're trying
Coach,
to
could
control
you
our
explain that
emotions,
again?
Coach.
Yeah, if you look at it, you see how this is sideways. Not until the candle, right, is coming down here. You see it? This would be a shedding point. Make sense?
Gotcha. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And
Sir.
the way that you want to think about that is it'll look like a triangle, right? So it can go up, it can go like this, and then it'll come down. This would be like an A or a triangle, right? As long as we're going up or sideways, up or sideways, up or sideways, not back down, this is where I would shed. Make sense?
Yeah, that looks like the ink and ruins you just drew.
Yeah, it really did, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot
Thanks,
of
Coach. Appreciate
Madden
you.
time from coaching football.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Sorry to interrupt, Coach, but
Yes.
in 1 minute we have S&P Global PMI.
Okay, thank you. But yeah, this is on the 2 minute. This is beautifully running. So you just look
So
at
far.
Yeah, just
Yes.
look at every one of these. You see this? So you can see it's higher, right?
Yep. Up 39%.
Looks
Nice.
beautiful.
And there's another one, right? So as long as we continue higher, 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 even if it goes sideways and sits there for a bit, none of that matters. That is how you maximize your profit using my shedding technique, right? Which is 50, 20, 20, 10. So 20, 20, 10. So think about it. If you have 10 contracts or 100 contracts or 1,000 contracts, you're still in all of them, right?
Yep.
Because
That's cool.
nothing, not a single one yet has told you to get rid of it. And then when it does happen, you'll get rid of half. So 5, 50, 500. Okay, makes sense, group?
That's the part
Yes,
I
sir.
struggle with.
Yeah. It
Up
comes with the
10%.
Yep,
it comes with the motion control.
that's right. David, I heard you in the background. What'd you say, partner?
That's the part I struggle with.
Yeah, but that's
Me too.
okay. Yeah, that's okay. Listen, the way that David does it, right, is he'll load the boat, right? Say 100 contracts, and then as it goes, right, he'll get rid of 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5,
There
5,
you go.
right? And that's okay. You know, that's just another technique. But remember, he is collecting as it goes, right? Isn't that what we always want to do, regardless of how you do it, right? My 50, 20, 20, 10, right, is just me trying to get you all in the habit of holding on. That's all we're really doing with it, right? If you are a scalper, like I've told Tony and others that were in the room, if you're scalping, right, we will typically go in a little bit larger, but we'll take 80 to 90% on the first move, right? So we will take a lot right on the first move, right? It just depends. If you go in larger, take more. You go in smaller, take less. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
That's Coach. Quick question, Coach. If you
Yes.
compare the Google with Apple, you can see that it had a big red candle that kind of changed the pattern, right?
Yeah,
So
let me
now it's
look.
struggling to get over that red candle.
Yeah, absolutely. Now the difference though with Google is, so think about it. You're still in a 2-minute EWO to the upside, right? So it happened right here at the gate. So
Yep,
you're
I've
in
been
it.
in it.
And everybody, I want you to look at this. And this is the other part that will panic you. And by the way, SPY's tanking below the 200 now. Bye-bye. All right, so I want you to think about this for a minute. If these candles are still in VWAP, you're still in the trade. But you don't want this, right? You don't want to be below VWAP. So we don't want another single candle to close below VWAP. But as long as these bodies and or wicks are still in VWAP, you are still in that trade. Does that make sense?
Yes, Coach. Thank you so much.
Yep. Think of that.
Basically, if it closes below that red candle, right, at
If you
940.
close below VWAP and you're trying to long it, you're out.
Okay, sounds good.
That's it. Think of this, since we were talking about sports, right? Think this is the football.
That's the
These
football.
are the
I was in
laces.
lines.
These are the
Yep.
laces out.
Gotcha, Coach.
You see it?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yep. As long as VWAP's still in them laces and you're still riding on it, you're still okay. Because I also want you to remember, as long as it does this, typically it's starting, right? It will continue to slowly make its way up, which will slowly get you into the profit and slowly get you away from where you paid for it. Okay? Okay, great.
I appreciate it so much. Thank you.
Yep. Let's pull up Apple. Now, this is still not a shedding point. Can anybody tell me why?
Yeah, it stayed within that same level.
Yes. You see how it's just flat. See it?
Yep.
So it went up, went sideways, went up, sideways, went up. That's what you want to see. That is a normal progression of a stock.
Coach, I'm 171% on one contract.
Oh my.
On this run right here.
Oh my gosh. Now, you know what I would love to see more than that, even, and really stretch yourself. You know what I would like to see?
Yes, Coach, tell me what.
contracts.
That's right. I know. I know.
And the only reason that is, everybody in the room, is because if you have two, you can shed one at some point, right? So that's just going to be a 50-50. So if you have two contracts, right, let's say you're doing a minimum of two, when it's doing all of its thing and it finally has a pullback, that's where I'll get rid of 50% and I have one runner left. Make sense? Because
Yes, Coach.
the reason is because if I only have one, it's all or nothing, right?
Yeah.
So, and I don't want anybody in the room with a mind. Right here's a pullback. There's your first pullback. Everybody see the difference? That is your first pullback. You see it? There it is.
Yes.
That's where I take my 50%. Now, here's what's cool about this, though. If and only if you are an advanced 2-minute trader, I will so right here is where I would collect 50%. If it comes down to the 9, I can add. So say I added back 50% or added back, let's say 2 contracts, and it dips below this 9, I will immediately shed those original, right, those 2 I just added, because if we look at it, right, if we looked at it, this area right here is my risk. You see this? This would be my risk of however many I've added, but my reward is unlimited. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So I still have my original. Let's say I had 10 and I shedded 50, right? So I had 10. I shedded 50%. I have 5. On the 9, I can add 2. I still have my 5 plus the 2 is now 7. Now, if it drops below this area, I dump that 2. I still have the other amount that I have, right? So I'd still be back at 5. Does that make sense?
Yes, Coach.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
And bouncing off the MA here, possibly. Right?
Yeah, but that is exactly how we trade it. So it's always a little risk with the reward, right? We want a reward obviously much higher than the risk, but that is how I will trade it. And the beauty of this is if you shed here and you add it here and then it pops back up to here, you made more than what you originally started with your original 10 contracts. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically we've combined, right? Only doing this, we've combined our 2-minute EWO with scalping, right? That's what that advanced is. Does that make sense, gang?
Yes, Coach. Again, are you waiting for closure on the candle?
Yes, below the 9. Yes. Yep. Now, obviously, if you get a big blood candle, I don't want in that, right? Isn't it breakthrough? Don't I always say either a long candle or a break and hold candle, right?
Correct.
Yep. So right here, I'm not panicking, even on my little ad, right? It's going to work in here, right? You have to let this work. But if this closes below this 9, or we get a nasty candle, I don't want nothing to do with it. Does that make sense?
Yes, Coach.
Yep. And think about it. You'd only be out the whatever you've added, and then in this little tiny range. And you still have made money off of the original that you went all the way up here, your 100+%, right? So even if you gave back, it wouldn't be 20% because you've taken off a bunch. You maybe 5%, maybe 10%. We'll say 10% on the high end. If you gave back 10% of that original move, but the risk to reward ratio is like, I'll do that all day. I don't give a shit. That's all day, right? All day. I'll give up 10% to make another 100%. Am I right? Especially since I've already locked in. I'm already green and I already know the trade is great. 100%.
Risk to reward.
Yes. But again, if you're not an advanced 2-minute EWO trader, meaning you're not successful doing the 2-minute EWO, you don't get to do this. You don't want to add things on when you're not great at the first thing. Okay, great.
You got to build your confidence too.
Yes. Build your confidence, right? Understand the mechanics. Because right now, for most of you, you're just like, oh, I see red candles. Oh. Right?
We're struggling to hold a position, coach.
Yeah, you're struggling to hold a position.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
We're shaving and shaving, just to get the emotions out of them.
Yep.
What are you going to do?
Yep. I hear you.
Oh, check out Google What's Up, new high, and then spy on the first 2-minute EWO.
Perfect. Now, do you see on Google how we talked about that? Remember, I said you're still in the trade. As long as it is still staying within that VWAP in our parameter, now you are all in a successful trade, right?
Yep.
But if you'd have got chicken feet, you'd be like, I don't want nothing to do with this. I'm scared. Right? I can't do that 2-minute EWO. Every time I get in it, it goes against me. No shit, Sherlock. You got to let it work when you get into the first original part of the trade. That's at 25 to 40% risk. You have to be able to stomach the entry. If you can stomach the entry, you will be rewarded. But you can't be a chicken ass. That's it. Put that on our hat. That's going to go on the back of our hat next time. Don't be a chicken ass. Ride, and it's going to go all the way around the brim. Ride that 2-minute EWO donkey, and it have a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw on the front. That's our hat. That's coming. That's the next hat that's coming. You understand me?
I know you wish you had that sound effect right now.
I do. I had to create it on all by myself with this high budget production. This high budget production. Iller is now. Am I saying that right? Because every time I see that, I want to say, am I saying it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, I have a question about the SPY. You said below 200 is going to collapse.
It did
But
collapse below the 200. That is correct.
Oh, it's just like a little bit candle that collapse.
Well, it's yeah. If it goes below it, right, we're looking for a lights out move. Isn't that what we're looking for?
Okay, so light move to me mean like it's going like to the floor.
No, we never know what they're going to do, but we anticipate if it breaks below the 200, we're looking for a huge pullback. Does that make sense?
Is it 1 minute or 2 minutes?
If you're scalping, it's 1 minute. If you're in a 2-minute, you're doing a 2-minute EWO. So nothing I said would have mattered to you, right?
All right, thank you.
Yep. Yeah, listen, when it breaks below this 200 here, you are anticipating these next setups, right? That's what you're looking for. There's your key critical areas. Okay? Does that make sense, everybody in the room? And if you scalped that below the 200, you made an ass load of money. Am I right? This right here, what is this? $80,000? That's nice.
Yes.
If this was Palm, this right here is about $250,000. Am I right?
Yeah. Look at these candles on SPY.
That's what I'm saying. Right.
I aspire to be there one day.
Yes, absolutely. You keep it up.
Inspiration to us all.
Yes. Well, look at F2. What did he pull in yesterday? $300,000. Goodness gracious. Thank you.
Trying to help with your low budget
Thank
production,
you, man.
Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Maybe if we can sell more diamonds, maybe we'll get like a smoke machine, a disco ball, and some real live animals to run around in here. How would that be?
Good. Don't forget the laser lights.
All right. Thank you.
They about to lose the opportunity on diamond, huh, Coach?
Yes, 100%.
Man, that's a life-changing thing, bro. That's a life-changing thing right there, man.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Now, how many of you right here are stomaching this and you're like, oh, and it's still on the 9 and you're like, oh, but Coach said, and you're like sweating and crying and shit, but Coach said if I just can hang on to the risk to reward ratio, he says, oh.
It's me every day.
That's me every day.
I'm freaking out.
Oh, I love that.
Coach, you're funny.
Oh, That's the
You're
best.
mean.
Don, did you hear that?
You're mean.
Doesn't that sound like a video, though? That's me every day.
I admit it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
I love
it does.
I love it. Listen, the longer you trade, the more you do this, the less you freak out about red and green candles, right? The less you'll stop tripping out, right? And remember what I said. If you can't stop freaking out, go to a 5, go to a 15. Stop looking at all the up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down crap, right? Look at, does this 5 minute look as scary as that 1 or 2 minute? Does this look
Not
scary
really.
anymore? No. Right? If you're still scared, go to a longer time frame, right? Because the move doesn't look as big. It isn't red, green, red, green, red, green every time. Oh, right?
Roller coaster.
Yep. Stop tripping out.
Coach, I thought you were going to say, if you're scared, go to church. No.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's right. Thank you. I appreciate you. Little cube. Am I right? Yeah.
You good?
Yep. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Huge volume. Just
Saginaw's in the house.
market.
That's nice. Look at this, right? Again, if you're looking at this little 5 minute, are you freaking out? No. No, you're not.
Not at all.
Nope, not at all. Still riding the 9. Hell, it even made a little bit of a move up here. You got a little bit of a pop.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it's going to stay there. Make sure you got your stops. Do the things, right? Now, here's something real crazy. Could you imagine a world where you were buying,
I knew you were
selling,
going.
where you were buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. And now you're a scalper, right? Could you imagine
As it
that
still
world?
echoes, buy and sell it in the
Right?
background.
Right?
Welcome to the outer market.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's the trading zone.
That's right. And it's still dancing in this. Look at this. Still dancing in here. Now look at Google, you 2 minute EWO riders. You see how you're all the way into VWAP now, right? Collected as it went up. And when it pulled back, take it. Pulled back, take it. Now you're in a huge danger zone. You see this? Look at the difference. Google is, right? This is toast. Right? Technically, you're still on VWAP. But I do not like that candle at all. If this candle goes below this candle, I'd be out of everything. You understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yeah, coach. I set my stop loss above profit. So
Oh, perfect.
No matter,
Perfect.
No matter what, I'm good.
Smart. What are you, are you some kind of trading guru?
Nope, just a student.
Goodness gracious. What a rock star. Yeah, that's fine, Bruno. That's my Black Friday sale for today. 3K, 1 per person, today only, never to be seen again. Super ridiculous, stupid sale. Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
ESL coming up on pre-market low.
Thank you. Yeah, Google, everybody, right? That's an out. Everybody see that out? Out. 2 minute EWO, out. Make sense? Great. We're all.
Spy's on the double bottom kind of right now.
Thank you. Let me look at Apple. Oh, what do you know? Apple's still alive over there, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Picked up 2 on 9.
Oh my God. What are you? Do we got some sort of trading geniuses in here?
Still learning. Doing
What?
good. Thank you, Coach. I
Look at
appreciate
this.
it.
Now look at this. Could you imagine if there was a place Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Could you imagine that place?
Yes, I can.
That would be nice.
Welcome to the chop zone.
That's right. That's right. We love.
And you got to get them to put that video together with that buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell in the background while you're talking.
Yeah. We like this consolidation area, don't we? This is
Yes,
Paul.
sir.
This is
Things on
Palm's
sale.
place. That's Palm's place, right? He loves that in there. We're gonna call this Palm's place. Right there. That's nice.
That's my happy zone.
Yep. See, I told you that's his happy place, right?
It's Paul's heart.
You like the way we named that? Look, I'm gonna put. It's gonna be a little house. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Oh, that's a funky.
Gotta give him a palm tree.
Yep, I'm doing it right now. Hold on. A nice little house. Wow, that's a crazy ass roof. Okay, hold on. I'm working on your place right now, Palm. There's your little place. Here's your
That's
little
my cottage.
Yep, little cottage. There's a little window. Right? Bam. Bam. Little palm tree
Need a
action.
chimney.
Sorry, this is the best palm tree that I can make, right? Okay.
Happy tree.
It's a happy tree.
Happy tree.
That's a happy little tree.
It's a happy little tree right here, right? We'll make it smiling right there's Palm's place with a happy tree.
Happy little sunshine.
Yeah, let's put the sunshine right here.
Because it's Palm's world, he can make it any way he wants.
If only there was a place you could learn to draw palm trees.
That's right. Little clouds, little puff of clouds, little puff of clouds in the sky.
There's the sun.
Yep, there's the sun right here. I know it's kind of funky, but this is the sun over here. You know, when you're a kid, you always put the sun in the very corner of the page, and then you just have the lines coming out. This is the sun. But this is the sun.
Hey, Coach, you missed your calling, I got to say.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate. I told you it's all the whiteboarding from football, right? That's what this
Absolutely.
is. There it is.
Beautiful.
Yep.
I want to
there it
hang
is.
it on the fridge.
Yep. That's hanging out.
So what is that? What is that called, by the way?
This would be the Palms Place consolidation, liquidation, confluence area of liquidation. That's what we'll call it.
Hey, Coach, what did you have for breakfast this morning? Because I want the same stuff.
I'm in full training mode. Have you guys noticed I haven't traded at all? It's just been full-blown training mode.
I was gonna say he got into the gummies this morning.
I did.
Appreciate you, Coach.
And do you know what's
Sounds
even
like it.
now look at what's even crazier. Did anybody listen to the sound of my voice and scoop anything up on the 9?
You know I did, Coach.
You know what's even crazier? We're all the way back up here on the ceiling again, aren't we?
I'm ready to say new high day.
Thank you. That means from here to here, you just made all that extra profit. All of that extra profit again. And now you have made more than the original amount that you started with just by listening to the sound of my voice.
Increase the value 40%.
There you go. That's nice. That's nice. Did anybody else is anybody else an advanced 2-minute EWO rider? Did anybody else take advantage of that training? Anybody?
We will.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you.
I did.
Thank you. By the way, media team, mark that. Even if we don't make it, I'll pay somebody to frickin' make it. Mark that entire 2-minute EWO training session with it making this high up here, showing them exactly what we did, and then here's your end result. Boom.
Got it.
Boom. Shakalaka.
Got it, Coach.
That's nice. So choice.
It's like a mini cup.
It is. That's a double top now, isn't it? Did everybody hear the buzzword that I just used, scalpers? Anybody?
Already in.
But I don't even need to be here anymore. I don't even need to be here anymore. You guys are all a
You
bunch of
stop
trading
that
gurus.
nonsense. You stop that crazy
We're
talk right
done.
now.
We're done
You
here.
can't go nowhere.
We're done.
We got you chained to the post like a dragon.
No, please let the
We
old
just
man
feed you some
go.
scraps every now and then.
Let the old
A
man
Louis
go.
Vuitton bag or something.
Oh boy. Robert R, congratulations. I'm looking forward to the one-on-one, you and I. Welcome. Welcome
to the trading zone.
That's right. Chuck Liddell. I see your ticket. Oh, yeah, that's the buzzer beater. I said till 10 o'clock. Go ahead. I will allow it. I said till 10 o'clock. We're going to give you the deal from yesterday. You need to do it now, though, because I don't want my moderators loitering around that ticket for another 24 hours. It's now or never. Got it?
Only because he's Chuck Liddell and he throws rocks.
Oh, 100%. I am
The
not
fighter.
Yeah, it's called a baseball punch, right?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, we used to practice
Bricks.
that. That's ridiculously stupid. Where you go here, real quick. Let me show you. It's where you go overhand, but watch, pay attention. This is where the magic happens, right? We land with these two knuckles. Yep, we land with these two knuckles, but it's overhand like this, right? That's Chuck Liddell punch. So, and the reason he's able to throw it from such a weird ass angle is because you're used to seeing this, right? You're used to it coming in here. Well, he gets to pull back and go from here. So you don't see it. So instead of a normal overhand, that son of a gun, right? It's like throwing a baseball, right? Pop. That's what knocks your shit out.
Still one of the best in the game.
I agree.
You know, one of the great. One of the greats, for sure.
Used to be so exciting to watch.
Made it what it is today.
Yep. That's one dude. Now listen, I'm not scared of any man. I'm serious. I don't care who I'd roll up on. Chuck Liddell. It'd be nothing but respect. Be like, yes, sir.
100 on that.
Can I get you another beer, sir?
Him and Tito Ortiz. Remember those fights?
Yes.
Those were the bomb.
Yeah, they were so exciting, right? That's back when the UFC mattered, when it was amazing. Yes.
Brawling.
Yes, we used to always, okay, nobody freak out. Oh, coach, it's just a drink. Yes, I used to get a pony keg and I'd invite everybody over to our house and we'd watch the UFC fights, right?
Yeah,
always.
I love the pony keg.
Yeah, right? It was awesome, baby. Now
Party balls. Remember party balls?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Yup.
What was in the party keg? Natty Light?
Natty Light.
No,
it's usually Bud Light. Usually Bud Light. Yeah, Natty Light.
Old school college days.
Yeah. Yeah, Bush Light, right? Whatever cheapest.
Whatever was cheap.
Yeah, whatever you get your hands on.
Like $6 a case or something.
Right.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Natural Light had to have been one of the worst ass beers of all time.
Rhinelander
for sure.
Rhinelander.
Oof. Okay.
Like drinking stinky feet, man.
Oh, absolutely. Stank ass. Did anybody see what we talked about? All my scalpers, right? Did anybody catch when I said apple double top?
Yep.
Did that work out for you?
Oh, yes.
That's nice. And now, right, what our members called out here earlier, this is now a cup and handle. See it? So here is your cup. Here's your handle. See if it's going to stay on this 21. I'm on the 1 minute right now. See if it's going to stay on the 21 EMA, which is acting as its backbone, not the 9. You can clearly see off the 21. We're going to look for a retest of this area. If it breaks through, extremely bullish, rock and roll. But there's your cup and handle in real time. Media team, cup and handle, put it together right there. So cup and handle, looking for a break. Now remember, when this breaks through, here's what we're watching for. So cup, handle, retest. We want to see it come through, and then typically it will pull back to retest the same area what was once resistance. It'll have to check it for support. And then if it bounces, that is where I attack it. Does that make sense? Because what'll happen a lot of times is you guys will get overly excited on a cup handle breakthrough. Everybody will start to go long right here. That's not where we go long, right? Nope. All of this right here, none of this. This is just a danger zone. This right here is where sellers are sitting to dump this thing. And here it comes in real time. There's your breakthrough. Here comes your retest. Does everybody see exactly how that worked in real time?
Yes, coach.
And everybody gets overly excited, and that is not where we buy. I like to see it come through. Retest, bounce, and here it comes. All of that was in real time for your viewing pleasure. That's nice.
Oh, and then also that area 26950 was in play a couple of days ago. So
Oh, nice. Yep. See, and it's always good to know those critical areas, isn't it, David?
yes, sir.
Yep.
And then everybody in the Apple chat had it before it even hit it the first time.
Oh, I love it. Love it. Love it. So right here, this is our danger zone. Let me look, make sure it's accurate. Right there. That's it. Now, how I got this, so that's what somebody's going to ask me next. I'm using the top of the wicks down to, you see the bodies and the body and wick right there and the body right there and then the body right there. So this right here, this is my no-fly zone. Everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because if you look at it, technically, this is still the double top. This is still trying to break through. This is still the area where it's more of a warning than a go. Because at any time, if it cannot hold this, we are going straight back down, right? And I'm telling you, everybody in the room will try to get in it early. You're going to get FOMO, but it's following the 9 and it's doing the thing and it's going to the upside and all the stuff. And no, I don't give a shit. No reason to get all choppy chopped. Everybody be cool. You be cool. Name that movie. Name that movie. From Dusk Till Dawn.
Fiction.
From Dusk Till Dawn.
Nah.
Never saw that one.
Right? From Dusk Till Dawn, when they're in the RV, everybody packed in the shower when when they're checking the RV. He said, everybody be cool. You be cool.
Is that homework?
That is homework. From Dusk Till Dawn, one of the greatest films ever made. That is the homework. Quentin Tarantino at his finest.
All right.
I'll mark it right now. Good call. Still to this day, one of my absolute all-time, probably top 10 favorite movies ever made.
A lot of good visuals in that movie.
Yeah, a lot of, thank you. Yeah, right. Am I right? A lot of good visuals.
I like it because it's got my name in the title.
Oh, yeah. You're going to like
That's exactly why.
You're going to like it when Selma Hayek does probably the sexiest dance on earth.
Oh, I'm in.
Probably
Me
the,
too.
right, the hottest, sexiest, most beautiful dance of our generation, for sure.
The snake dance? Are you kidding me?
The snake
Stop.
dance. Oh my gosh. Are you?
All right, I'm out. I'll talk to y'all later.
Oh, there she goes. She's
Spy
out of
going
here.
down.
See ya. See ya. Bye-bye.
Don't be a quitter. Don't be a
I
quitter.
can't leave. I can't leave yet.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, the whole movie just had some amazing stuff. All right. Does everybody see now in real time exactly what I was talking about in the danger zone? See it?
Yes, sir.
And I'm telling you, people are like, oh, this is it. And it's going up and we're squeezing off the 9 and I really like it. And now you're red. Now you're like, oops. Right? Yeah, we do not need to be in that trade until we're above this area. Okay. Great. That's nice.
Bye, coach.
Thank you. Thank you for playing. Yep, SPY below the 200, below the 9, below VWAP, right? We had a area marked at what, 652.50. It just hit 63, 20 to 40 cent variance. But do you guys see though why all these little things matter? Every little thing that we're doing. Do you see how it matters?
The whole trade sits on it. Oh
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
The whole plan sits on it.
That's right. It's glorious. Now, 2-minute EWO riders. You guys are still up there in the money, right? You collect, or you first collection was here. This, excuse me, this exact spot, right? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Then you added right here. Now it is back, right? It got all the way back up to here. You're still in it up here. You could have shed more in here. You're still making more than the original that you went in with. And you're still in a great place. And it's still a green trade. And you added what? 40 to 60% onto your original trade by doing that advanced trade, right? With minimal risk. I know.
That's exactly what I did.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Well, I think so many people struggle with holding because they are trading options and they don't know the breathing room. So
Right.
that big retracement, the very first retracement,
Yes.
from the top to the bottom was, anybody want to take a guess of what that retracement was the first time we hit the very top?
Yeah, this one to
in
this one, right, partner?
percentage-wise?
Yeah.
And of course, I can use
50%.
it was over 40%.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
It was.
Yeah, and you know where most of that pain came from? It was this sucker.
Yeah, so most people are
Gamma.
like, oh, well, let me put my stop right here, and they give it 10%. But yet, we've seen that it's 10% in a single candle, and they think that
Correct.
that's enough breathing room. And by people, I say me. I used to do that same damn shit.
Yes,
So
yes. Right? And that's why I always talk about, David, right? I always say, when in doubt, 50% of its value, right?
Yep.
So if you paid $1, my stop's at 50 cents. Once you're green, right? We're talking about once we're green up here, because otherwise it's 25 to 40. But
oh, yeah.
Yeah, right? And then you get up $2. Guess what? My stop's at $1. Does that make sense? Because all we really want to do, everybody in the room, all we're really doing is protecting from knife drops. We don't want to get stopped out. That's not what we're doing. We're in this. A 2-minute EWO is in it for the long haul. We want a long momentum trade. This is not a scalp. That's why we leave it alone and let it do the things.
That used to be me, Coach.
Yep. It's easy to do. I understand. And that's, remember, we talk about it all the time. Don't I always train you on fear or greed? Either fear or greed is controlling the trade when that happens, and not my strategy. You are fearful of the pullback, or you get greedy because it got green and you want out. Make sense? Okay, great. And there goes SPY. Remember, I said if it can't hold that 200, we're looking for this crash out, which it is right here at 650-250 was our next critical area. And there goes Apple, new high of day. And skyrocketing above. Look at the volume that came in the second it broke above that area. I said, then go long, right?
Still in it.
Does everybody see that in real time? Do you understand now why we have made more millionaires, more profits, retired more people than anybody in the effing earth? Do you understand now? Results not guaranteed. Trading is hard.
Trading is hard.
Legal. You understand.
Coach, you remember the other morning I told you that that was my best Apple day trade?
Yes.
Today is.
Yes.
Today is. And hopefully on Monday I'll say it even again.
That's awesome.
Thank you, Coach.
That's
Appreciate
awesome.
you, brother.
100%. Isn't that cool? That is what's amazing, right? This is something, guys and gals. Listen, I've been doing this for 33 years, closing in now on 34 years, right? Soon, couple months. Think about this for a minute. You can do this till the day you get in the ground, right? Till the day you are put in the earth, as long as you have the mental fortitude, right? And you're not, cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs and all the stuff that we might be doing later. But I'm saying this and golf, you can do both, right? They're the two things that you hope you can do forever. And you will get better and better and better and stack and stack and stack your knowledge and improve on yourself and what you do and how you handle these situations. And you'll just get better and better and better. That's my dream for all of you. Just get better every day, right? It's all we can ask for. Come in with an empty cup. Learn, listen, be involved, stay active. The more you talk about American dream trading, the more it will be intertwined in your head. The more you tell people about it, the less afraid you will be with your trading. You must be bold, right? You need to be bold when we're in here. Tell the world. Get yourself right. Get your mind right. Stop being scared of what people think. Who gives a shit? Are they paying your bills? Are they helping you out? Are they putting food on your table? Are they driving you to work every day? If not, who gives a shit? As my old man used to say, who gives a rat's ass, right? Be bold. Do the things. Chop, chop. Make it happen. It's your life. You have direct control of it. Apple, new freaking high a day. How we doing, Apple 2-minute EWO riders? Tell me now.
Very nice.
97.
I'm feeling it, Coach. You know
Right,
that.
Coach. Right.
12% on the account today.
Nice. Oh my God. How much?
12.
On the whole account?
Yep.
Get out of here. Shut the door. Shut the front door.
It's a good day.
My gosh. 12%?
All to you,
Yowza.
Coach. Thank you.
Good job. Good job. Me, the moderators, the trainers, the community, the people we
Everyone.
have here, right? Everybody doing their part, everybody building each other up, right? It's amazing what you all are doing in this room. Stay
The
after
community,
it.
yeah, I mean, the community itself is really the key aspect of this
It
whole
is.
component that you
100%.
built. It's not just one person, it's
That's right.
everyone.
100%.
And then flows into everybody. I mean, and you've been preaching on getting involved, and I'll tell you this, that is how you become successful. You need to get involved.
100%. Yep. As soon as you get out of your shell and you really go after it, right? Kind of like the F2 moment. We'll call it the F2 moment. Same thing. Back was against the wall. He was reaching out. He was telling people. Notice he wasn't afraid publicly. Did you guys, why do you think he's in the Hall of Fame? He was not afraid publicly to be like, I'm struggling, I'm hurting, this isn't working, I don't understand, I'm on the struggle bus, I've been here for 2 years, this is, right, something's wrong. He was actively staying involved and doing it on our largest platform, right, over in our aftermarket, which is recorded for millions to see for the rest of his life. But he didn't care. And now, 8 months later, 15th millionaire. Do you understand me? Stop being afraid. What are you afraid of? What are you worried about? It's kind of like asking your boss for a raise. What are they going to say? No? Okay.
Maybe.
Who gives a shit?
That's okay.
Who gives a
doesn't
shit?
matter.
You're good. You do the work. The things are happening, right? The business is executing and making the money and doing all the stuff. Ask. Everything in this world, you must take what is yours. The stock market is no different. It is here for you every day. We are here for you every day, even over there in the cheap seats, even for all of you watching for free that are getting less than 1%, literally less than 1% of what we do here every day. We are here for you as well. We are all about people helping people. That is why I designed this. This is what we do every day. Real quick plug, go to American Dream Trading to get set up today. 7-day free trial on our premium crypto or futures membership. Premium, by the way, is our stocks and options. Get over there. Check it out. 7-day free. Our Discord, free forever. Free. We're not going to put you behind some waiting list, fake ass. We're not going to, right? We don't blow up fake numbers in our Discord, right? So that we can act like we have more people. We do none of that here. This is all legitimate. No bot accounts. Nobody's direct messaging each other. Nobody's trying to sell you a bunch of shit. We'll talk about our promotions and our sales, obviously, while you're here, right? It's our company. That's how we grow as a company. You got to market yourselves. And guess what? If I spent tens of thousands of dollars to get you to the front door, of course, I'm going to be like, hey, want to buy some encyclopedias? Right? Of course. But come on over. Try us out. See why it's not a bunch of bullshit. We are not the bros. We are not the bros that you see at 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, right? Hey, bro, look at this, bro. Listen, you always know some bullshit. They'll always have headphones on, music, staring at the screen, and they'll say bro every 4 minutes. You'll hear nothing but selling you a bot, buy and sell signals, and they're a call-out group. There you go. Done. Done and done. So if you hear any of these stupid-ass buzzwords, you already know. Am I right? And you guys know what I'm talking about. You know you've been scrolling around on TikTok trying to find some funny-ass shit, right? 3 o'clock in the morning, and you run into a bro. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
One person found the bros out there. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Right?
I used to go out and club this one time, and this guy was running around the damn club asking all these women to dance. And I stopped and said, dude, I said, you ain't dancing with nobody all night. He said, hey, buddy. He said, I can have 99 no's. It's just that one yes is all I'm looking for.
Just the one yes. By the way, look at Apple getting ready to make new high day. Respect to the 9 right there off that 2 minutes. Still looking beautiful up here.
Still in it.
I love it.
Coach, I switched it to a 5 minute. It hasn't even broken below the 9 EMA.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, and do you see how it's much more calm up there on that 5 minute? So once you're into that 2 minute and you already know you've got your stop in, you're going to let this thing go, right? Leave it alone. Flip to that 5, right? It's so much easier, right? When you're staring at a 5 minute candle. Tio says, sorry, Tio, I see you. Zoom, moderators, Tio is talking. See it? I don't know how to raise my hand, so if Ahmad could say this, Coach, would be great. Today, after watching all EWO videos last night, I went into an EWO today and best day yet. Record percent and dollar amount. I did NVIDIA, and yes, I know, Coach, I should have gone into Apple or Google like you were calling out, but I kind of live in NVIDIA. You're very welcome. Says, thank you so much, Coach, by the way. You're very welcome. Great job. Good job. Charles says, thank you, Coach. Chuck V is now a Diamond member. I'm so excited and thankful. Nice. Good job. Welcome to that Diamond. Good job. Now, remember all of my new Diamond members. On the top left-hand corner, let me show you on my screen real quick. Hold on 1 second. Traders Lounge, share. Right here. On the top left-hand corner, if you actually click the name where it says American Dream Trading, make sure you have a check mark. It says show all channels. Does everybody see that?
We got you,
Yes,
Coach.
Coach.
Okay. Woo. Thought I lost you all there. All right. So right there, American Dream Trading on the top, show all channels, because you just unlocked. Look I want to show you guys my screen. Everybody look. Now, I know that the people watching for free, they can't see all this stuff, but I want you guys to pay attention to all this. Look at all of this training and education. I want you to drink this in. If you don't see all of this, that's because you are not a Diamond member. Can you guys see all this?
I can.
Right?
Yes, I can.
This
It's a
is
beautiful thing.
it's so much
Like
glory.
it's like watching the sun come up in the morning, drinking my cup of coffee. That's
And
how
if you
beautiful it is, Coach.
Yes.
and,
Not
and
a
if you
cloud
aren't
in the sky.
Oh,
Love the analogy.
that
Good.
is the
That was right.
greatest. Thank you. Somebody needs to
Oh
record
wait,
that.
can you put
Take
that back?
notes. Take notes.
Oh my
I'm here all
gosh.
week. I'm
Thank
here
you.
all week.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Somebody clip that. That's beautiful. That just brought a tear to my eye. Go ahead, Richard.
Can you put that back?
Yeah, that was nice. Oh, put that back. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, can you put that back up?
Yep.
Where he's showing all the stuff.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, it's not. Oh, there it is. Yeah. And if you aren't smart enough to take advantage of the screen, just go to the middle and look at the gun pointing at you because you're stupid.
Oh gosh, Richard just
Do
said
you see the big gun?
Richard.
Richard,
Richard.
come
sorry.
on.
Come
No,
on, don't be a
the big-
Richard.
that
was dark.
Oh,
It was
boy.
The
dark.
big gun. The
That-
big gun in the middle.
That got dark fast. Richard, you now have to put
You got
$20
it,
in the
Richard.
tip
People are
jar.
soft.
Oh,
They have people
Don,
are
can you
soft.
forward me again, please?
Put him in the bedroom.
Goodness
Nah, you're
gracious.
being a Richard. You
Oh,
gotta
boy.
deal with that on your own. You're
Oh
being a
boy.
Richard.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
Yeah,
But
you
anyways,
get it.
go over there, check it out, do the things, click the stuff. It's 10:35. Has anybody made any money today?
I have.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We got you.
Coach. Yes.
Coach, I'm up $7.34. That's a hell of a good thing because usually these days on Spy just eat me up. So
Yes.
I
Hey.
appreciate the one-on-one and what we talked about.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. Mark, I see your Mark says moderators, Alejandro V needs help in TikTok. Moderators. Let me look. See if I can help you over there, partner.
I'll take a look, Coach.
Yep, says I'm trying to open a ticket, but I can't. No, I'm on Discord, but no answer. Where are you at on Discord? Go into the stock lounge, which you have access to. Oh, I'm sorry, the traders lounge. Go into the traders lounge. Alejandro, go into the traders lounge right now on Discord and say, "It's me, I need help." That's it. That's all you got to do.
It sounds like he's got more than one Discord.
Correct. Yep. That's why I said if you go over there and say it's me, we can start to identify. Yeah, you might have multiple Discord accounts or multiple emails, or go over there, say I need help, and we'll start working with you ASAP. Okay. Now remember, everybody, we will never direct message you. You are not allowed to direct message us, or you will be banned. If you direct message me or any of my moderators, you will be banned, just so you know. The reason that is because we're trying to keep everything safe, right? People are talking about finances and buying memberships and everything. That's why we don't do that. We have a full help desk service. There's the channel. Click on it, help desk support. Click the button, creates a help desk ticket. You'll see the help desk ticket is open. Nobody here will ever message you ever. It's not allowed. That is why, okay? That's where scammers live. We have no Telegram. We have no WhatsApp. We don't do any of that. Okay? Good job. RJBB says made $218 today trading Apple. Nice job. Congratulations. Good job.
Coach.
Yes.
What a beautiful pull.
24.5% on total account.
Oh my gosh. What is going on? What are you trading over there, VJ?
Spy.
Spy. Nice. You got in that poll, didn't you?
Yep.
Good job. Did you say 25% total account?
24. Yeah.
24. Shut the front door. Shut that door.
Gotta be fake news.
That is beautiful. Hold on. Did somebody say fake news? Hold on.
Fake news. Fake news. Fake news. Come on. You are
That's
fake
awesome.
News. Okay, you fake news. Fake news. Listen, you're being rude. You're fake news.
There you
Fake news. Stop being rude. You're fake news.
There it is. Stop being rude. Fake news. Okay, there's no
Great
way somebody listening to the sound of my voice today could have possibly made 24% on their total account like VJ did. Good job. Good job.
Yeah,
I'll
Coach,
turn
I'm
around
at
after that
22%.
one-on-one.
I'm sorry, I missed it. Go ahead.
I said all turned around after that one-on-one.
Did everybody in the back of the room hear that as I'm over here trying to peddle my wares, talking about getting the one-on-one? Did anybody
Yes,
hear
sir.
that?
Yes, sir.
It's almost, VJ, it's almost as if proof is in the pudding. Am I right?
Oh yeah.
So it's 3K for an hour. Is that what it is?
That is correct. Today
Worth
only,
it.
though, just today.
Oh, today. Oh,
Yeah,
what's the norm?
6,000.
Oh God.
Brock's like, son
That's
of
a
a
lot. Son of a gun.
son. Hey,
I'm gonna have
listen,
to. I gotta trade a couple more months,
a
Coach. I'll
couple
get back with
kidneys,
you.
couple kidneys. Now, listen, some people are on like a layaway plan, and I'm being dead serious. They'll put it in there.
I'm back.
Yeah,
Did
once
someone
it's
say
paid.
layaway plan?
Yeah, once it's paid in full, then we'll schedule the thing. So we're willing to work with people on anything. I'm serious.
Okay.
Just open a
Appreciate that,
ticket and
Coach.
ask whatever you got. We try to my own detriment. We try to help everybody in every situation, doing everything all the time. Ask my moderators, how often have I said no to anybody on anything? If it's normal and not some stupid ridiculous, always. I'm like, sure, fine, find a way, right? Bruno loves
We
it because he.
appreciate you letting us pile on your back,
Thank
Coach,
you. No
and drag
worries.
us along. We really do appreciate that.
No worries. I
Much love.
appreciate all of you.
God bless you.
Thank you. Bruno always loves it because he always has to get creative to make new things for stuff that we don't have to. I'm like,
Reinvent the wheel, Bruno.
I'm like, hey, Bruno, we can do that, right? He's like, shh, Nikes. Yeah, we'll make that happen. It's like, wait a minute. Can we? I'm like, sure. You bet. You bet we can. Apple.
Coach, can I ask you a question about Soxel?
100%.
Are you averaging down here? Because I know this is one of our like sort of long-term.
Am I dollar cost averaging down? You want
Yeah.
to know when to do it? Because I
Yeah.
can't give you financial tax or investment advice, but I've trained everybody in the room on how to do this. Everybody, are you ready?
Yes, Coach.
When
Yes,
would
yes, sir.
possibly be a good time on my long-term holds? By the way, that I'm hedging, that way I make a ton of money on these pullbacks. But when or what percentage do I use on pullbacks to add in to my long-term holds? Go.
Never.
10, 15%.
5, 10, or 15% pullbacks.
15%.
There you go. There
Got
you
it,
go.
Coach.
Thank you all.
Yep, absolutely. And what is the number one? What is the number one? What have I been saying every day for the last 3 years? If you're in a
Hedge your
long-term
loss.
hold, what are you supposed to be doing?
Hedge your loans.
That's right. Because there will come this time when Soxel will go from, gosh, it got that high. I didn't even realize Soxel went that high. Oh my gosh. What was I saying to get in Soxel? $7?
$7.
It
Yeah,
got to
$7.
$50?
It's gotten over 70.
Oh my God, did it? Anyways, there will come a time, right, when it hits a big peak like that and it pulls back. Then you'll be like, oh, we're supposed to hedge it. Too late. Womp womp. Listen to the old man next time. Not financial tax or investment advice. This is for paper trading accounts and simulate trading only. Thank you. Great question. Great question. Great question. How about this, though? In the sea of the market has been like tanky. How about the fact that Google all week has been going, yesterday kind of pulled back, but today it's rebounding. How about Google, right? Staying above, all because, remember, I reported a week ago, or Monday, I believe. I think it was Monday. that Berkshire just loaded the boat on it, right? And Gemini is having conversations, just so everybody knows, Google, which owns Gemini, is having conversations to be the new Siri. Did anybody hear that yet?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Right?
That's amazing.
Yep. That's a big deal, right?
Changing the game.
Yep. So AI, once again, leading the charge. If only there were one place where you could go to find out this kind of information, what would that be worth to you, ladies and gentlemen? Nomad. Moderators. Ticket number
American Machine
58.
Trading, baby.
Thank you. Ticket number 5869 says it sent them to a download Cash App. That doesn't happen. We don't have a Cash App.
What?
Nomad, you click the link, right? Where it says checkout. Nomad, are you in here?
I just checked the link. It works.
Nomad,
It's
what are you clicking on? Do you see the link?
It probably has a Cash App available to
Oh,
pay
as
for.
part of his payment plan. Okay, yeah. One of the selectables. Okay, I got you.
He's
Yep.
got to select a card or credit card, not the Cash App.
Yep. Select your card, Nomad. Do you see it? Where there should be like a drop down or a selection area for which type of payment you want to make, partner. You see it? Yes, sir. Got you. I'm driving. Okay, no problem. We got you. Listen, if you run into any problems, put it in there. We'll take care of you. And congratulations in advance on scooping up a one-on-one with me. Absolutely love that. You guys do realize that's 50% off today and today only, right? Everybody in the room? Does everybody realize you can get a one-on-one with me right now for 50% off? Did you guys know that if you buy any of my block hour packages, you guys can get an additional 50% off? If you buy 10, I give you 5. You buy 20, I give you 10. You buy 50, I give you 25 free hours. Do you know how stupid, dope, crazy, ridiculous, awfully so much work for me that creates? Anybody in the room? Okay, great.
So I can do that payment plan on that, Coach?
Take it easy, killer. Take it easy. Now, what I have done with
gotta ask,
I hear
right?
you. Now listen, what I have done with people is I've split it up into 2 payments for it. I
There
have
are
done
fees
that.
associated. Yeah, there are fees associated with that. Keep in mind, because credit card transaction fees. Thanks.
Oh, thank you. Yep. Yeah, because we get charged when you guys do that. But we do that, right? So listen, if it's 50K, we can do 2 25K payments. You could do one now and one in a month or two, right? We don't have a problem with that. That's what I'm saying. Just ask. Just open the freaking ticket. You're not going to get this again. I'm telling you right now. Number one, I won't have any more time. And number two, it's so much for me to do those, you don't understand, right? It's a lot. A lot. It's a lot of work. There's a lot of prep involved. Now, by the way, one of our members took advantage. It was the first one I sold. I said, hey, I'll make a deal with you. Instead of an hour, I'll give you an hour and a half, right? That's basically what this is because you're getting 50% for free. So if you buy the 20 or 50 hours, I can sit with you for an hour and a half at a time for 20 or 50 sessions. Do you understand me? Do you know how ridiculous that is? How many times in your life, and I'm being dead serious right now, can you ever sit with the person that's running it all for that kind of mentorship for that long?
0 times.
Yeah, there's none. You will never get that.
You can't even talk to
promise
them.
you,
You can't even talk to the person in charge.
yeah, I promise you it will never happen. Right? I think Grant Cardone charges, what is it, $250,000 an hour, I believe, right? You realize I've made more millionaires. Again, don't come at me with receipts and all the things, but I'm pretty confident we've made more profits and more millionaires than anybody else that could ever charge you to do a one-on-one. You do understand that, right? I hope we're all on the same page, right? Hello? Right? Okay, great.
Worth every penny, Coach.
Thank you. I appreciate you. It's just
Changing lives, Coach.
yeah, it's just
Changing
not going to happen. It's not going to happen. But anyways, I appreciate it. Listen, it's 10:49. Go scoop up the dime, and what are you waiting for? 4K? Go get a one-on-one with me. It's 50% off. We'll get you scheduled in there. Go scoop up a 10, 20, 50 hour with me. Go scoop up an annual membership. If you're like, I can't spend all that money, well, then don't. You can get a premium right now. How much does our premium cost per year, Bruno? Is it $750?
Premium for the year?
Yes.
$12.50.
$12.50. If you guys buy the premium for a year at $12.50, we give you a year for free. That means for $12.50, you're going to get 2 years of training. It's today and today only. Love your faces. Listen, I'm out of here. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Buckle, Chris, James, Eminem, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you, everybody. Got my one-on-one scheduled? Awesome. Can't wait to work with you, Brian. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day, along with all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thank you. By the way, thank you. By the way, huge news. Mark's dad gets to go home today. Just had a major surgery, so he gets to go home today. Thank you guys for all the positive prayers, thoughts, positive vibes. Thank you, Doug and Dawn and team, for filling in while he's gone. Listen, this is this is my favorite thing. Oof, almost busted me up. Hold on. I haven't done that in a long time. Yikes. Hold on. This is my favorite thing. Damn it. I'm still a freaking softie. I can't break that. Doesn't that suck? I have this hard exterior, but inside it's just a bunch of freaking jello.
It does not suck.
I hate it. I can't
That's why we love you, man.
Coach, that's what drew me into you,
Oh, I
buddy.
hate it. It drives me out. Some days it drives me bonkers. Like, suck it up, bro. Right? I could take a bullet for you, but then I'll be over here crying about it. Listen. Listen. This is my favorite thing of what we do, right? My absolute favorite thing is Mark could take as much time off as he wanted. He could say, I'm going to take the next 6 months off. I'm done. I don't need to work again. I don't have to go anywhere. Right? He never has to do anything again. He doesn't have to answer to anyone ever again. 3 years ago, before he came here, he worked a regular 9-to-5 job like all of you, right? First year, he was able to retire, right? Second year, he made more money than that. Third year, you guys know he's now, right, a mega millionaire, right? This is the power of what we're doing. It's about time. It's not about the money. Listen, as someone who's had nothing and someone who's made literally millions of dollars, I promise you it's not the money. After a while, the money will get you to a point where, right, and you're like, oh, you can't be. Listen, after a while, you can't spend any more money. You've done the things. You got the house, right? I got the house. I got the cars. Every once in a while, we go out for a 3-day vacation, cost me $1,000 or $2,000, and we'll go to a beach house, right? Our medical is paid for, family's taken care of. I retire my mother-in-law, and I take care of my son and his new bride, and I make sure everybody's cool. Other than that, right? The money doesn't do any more. But what it does do is I can decide, just like Mark, to do anything, anytime, anywhere that I want to do. I could do the same thing. I could say, I'm never coming into work again. Put somebody in the front. They'll do exactly what I'm doing. I pay them. American Dream Trading continues on. We keep doing what we're doing. Right? I'm done. I'd be retired. I'm 52 years old. Game over. You guys know I'm not going anywhere because I love my job. I love this thing and I love doing this, and this is what I was born to do, right? But what I'm saying is, once you become a good trader, the money will pour in. You will never have to worry about anything again as far as job, time constraints, making appointments, worrying about going to the dentist because you're going to have to pay an extra fee, right? All of those things. The kids need new shoes. You need new tires, right? Oh, crap, insurance is coming again, right? All of these things. This is what we're working for. And at the end of the day, it will be your time because you are always using your time to pay for things. Here at American Dream Trading, what we strive for every single day is to get you out of that shit-ass 9-to-5 job, get you financially responsible and stable, and never, ever, ever have to worry about any of that bullshit ever again. And you are the boss. You decide what you're going to do today. You decide where you're going to go. Nobody else does that. This is what we're doing here at American Dream Trading. I'm out of here. Love your faces. Everybody have a blessed day. God bless. Have a great weekend. Hopefully you made some money. Have a good day.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you.
Apple New High Day.
An Apple New High Day.
Called it. Called it.
The high apple.
All right. And before I leave, did anybody in the room scoop up on the advanced 2-minute EWO back on that 9 when I discussed that entire training session? Anybody?
Crazy part is I didn't trust myself and I got out while juggling everything.
Nice job. But you made some money while doing it all, though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Nice
I
job.
got some.
Good job, Bruno. Buckeye Bob says, how do you book the one-on-one with Coach? After you pay, there will be a link that we send you for Calendly, and it has all of my appointments and schedules and everything. We're scheduled. It's a pretty tight schedule. I've got quite a few of those one-on-ones to get through. I know there might be a couple of slots if you're lucky to get in there, but I've got spots pretty much all the way through December that are pretty tight. So it might be a little hard to get in there right now. And that's, again, because I've got some people that are doing the mentorship once a week. I've got some people doing it every other week. And then I've got, of course, some of these last one-on-ones that we're getting through. So that's why I said I don't have a lot of space and time. You need to get in there and do it, right? I can only do so much, and then I lock it down. If you guys remember, I didn't do a one-on-one for a year and a half. I did like 150 or 130 of them right out of the gate, fire, just blowing them up, doing all the things. I stopped for about a year and a half. Do you remember? I said, no more. I'm not doing any more. Ask Bruno. I'm like, that's it. I don't give a crap. They're so hard for me. For every hour, it takes me 2. And I have to sit here. And guess what? Every hour, which is 2 hours for your 1 hour, because I got to set it up. I got to have it prepped. I read over all the stuff that we do. I get ready for it. Afterward, I have to wait for the video, right, to get done. Then I got to get all the links for the videos. And then I communicate to you, hey, thanks for the thing. And I make sure you get your videos and all that. It's 2 hours for every hour. Do you guys understand how much money I can make in 2 hours of every day, 5 days a week? Not doing a one-on-one? Go get them now. Love your faces. I'm out. See ya.